S17, Team Allen Lawn Care, Cody McDowell, Billy Allen.
I happened to be leading the truck race, and about the third time I was in a truck, and then about 2 laps to go, there was a yellow, so it was going to be a green-white checkered finish. Karl was running second, I was leading it, and on the restart, we got together a little bit. DQ'd him, and then a little bit later, before the restart, they DQ'd me, so then we met that right after that.
Since that time, we've developed what I consider to be a really healthy business relationship, which you see here behind us, the boat and the truck, and sometimes you just don't know how well your money's being spent, but in this case, I think we both agree that we got a good thing going on.
We had a meeting with Karl, and I said, well, here's the deal. I don't usually have somebody sponsor the boat or a marketing partner come aboard unless they come to a race venue and, you know, experience what it's like, you know. We put the deal together, and, you know, here we are today.
I don't take a lot of time to make up my mind, yes or no. And it was an immediate yes, because I liked what I felt and what I seen, and the possibilities for us to do a lot of business in an area where you actually don't do any business at all.
The Karl's logo, it's worth a trip from anywhere. And I use that when we're on the road quite often, from, you know, anywhere from a truck stop to a race venue. You wouldn't believe the people that didn't ever know where Team Allen Lawn Care Landscaping was from until we had the Karl logo. Now they'll come up to us and they'll go, I cannot believe you're from Ankeny, Iowa, you know, and it's cool to meet people that way, especially at Key West during the street party. It's a huge venue, you know, there's hundreds of thousands of people there. I always tell them, you know, I said, hey, here's the deal, it's worth a trip from anywhere. You know, the guy is a straight shooter, you get there, they make a deal, they'll send a car to you, you don't even need to go there. You can buy it on the internet or any other way. But I just, it's a family-owned business, and you know, they have numerous different cars and brands now, and it's a cool relationship that we have built. I feel it's really great for our team, and I believe it's great for his team also.
It's really been a plus up for us because the audience that we have now is endless. We can sell you whatever you want to buy that's like your family favorite.
Pulling with the Freightliner Sport chassis, which is like a small semi. I was really nervous about going to a 3500 Chevy, and he said, I promise you're gonna have more power, you're gonna have stopping area, you know, it's got an engine brake, the thing pulls really good, and we put the deal together, hooked it on the boat. Our first trip to Florida, it was unbelievable, and like I told him earlier, it's unbelievable how much these can run, pull, the power, the stopping capability, and believe it or not, the wow factor.
The truck that Billy has, I would say, in competition with everything else that we sell, has more comfort features, more fuel economy, able to handle a load of this size, and do it in good fashion, where that boat right there is not driving the truck is still driving the boat.